make you cheer a lot. This is a place of positive reinforcement. We don't allow you to correct the kids. That's my job, because then it becomes confusing. But today, when you see your kids do really well, please give them that cheer. Take pictures, give them that thumbs up, okay? I remember when I was a student, my mom was always front row, and she was always, and I wanted to make her so proud. So I know the feeling, okay? And so they're going to look at you about 10 times. Every time they look at you, give them a cheer. And if I say your child's name, you can do an extra cheer. How about that? Okay? Please claim your children tonight. All right, ready? And go!
Yes, I am!
Yeah, go!
Yes, I am!
Louder than Gabriel. Go!
Yes, I am!
Go!
Yes, I am!
Confidence. Go!
Yes, I am!
Last one. Go!
Yes,